Have you ever wondered how electronic waste can become valuable resources again? Today, we're looking at this PCB Components Dismantling Machine designed to separate electronic components from waste circuit boards efficiently. The process starts by feeding waste PCB boards into the machine. Through high-temperature heating and automatic separation technology, the electronic components are detached from the motherboard without damaging valuable materials. Compared with directly crushing circuit boards, dismantling the components first can greatly increase recycling value and improve the efficiency of the next recycling process. The separated motherboards and electronic components can then enter further recycling systems for copper and resin recovery. This machine is widely used for PCB recycling plants, e-waste recycling companies, electronic waste processing industries. If you are interested in electronic waste recycling equipment, feel free to contact us for more details.
摊开，亮完了之后是那个。